HobbyKidsTV.
On the last Time Warp Trixie found that her best friend was in some evil soda can armor. Why is this future dimension so strange? Let's find out.
Wait a minute, is this why you haven't been answering my texts or messages? I mean, I'm a pretty good friend, so I don't know what your problem is. Yeah, see, my phone says you received all of my messages, so... And I'm like the best friend ever, so you can't blame me. I'm pretty sure this is all your fault. What's going on, Chica? You don't call me enough.
Oh, sorry, girlfriend. I don't know what happened. Ever since you gave me that helmet, I just haven't been able to think straight.
Whatever, you just don't like me anymore.
Oh, Trixie, you know that isn't true.
I forgive you! Now take me out to dinner!
Oh, Trixie. Okay, but before we do, help me put on my armor, okay?
You got it! I know this new restaurant is awesome! They like sit you outside next to a fireplace because it's like really cold. Oh wait, we're like in a different dimension. But I'm pretty sure you have a coupon or something. So like, you don't even have to pay for yourself, you just have to pay for me.
Yeah. Okay, just, will you help me out with my armor?
Right! Sorry.
Yeah, just push down on the helmet.
Like this?
Evil circuits activated.
Evil circuits?
Oh no!
I have just sent the monster.
Not the monster. That's it, I'm out of here.
Stacy, what monster? Where are you going?
Trixie, let go of my cape.
You can't leave me out here, you helmet-wearing weirdo!
If you're smart, girl, you'll run.
Wow, Stacy, you really messed that one up.
I'm sorry, Master, she got my helmet off.
I hope you realize you have to take me to dinner now and somewhere nice.
Yes, okay, I'll take you to dinner.
And if you have, like, coupons, you know, you don't have to pay for me, you just have to pay for yourself.
Yes, I have coupons.
And make sure they have nice desserts. And, like, never let this happen again.
I'll never let it happen
If I'm
again.
like a better
No,
friend.
you're the best
You're
friend
not a good
ever.
friend.
I'm not a good friend. Oh, she's so annoying. Yes, Master?
You're annoying!
Oh, that's right, I'm annoying.
Stacy, you stop being selfish and come back here and risk your life to save me! Ah. Oh, there you are. Seriously, you're the monster? I mean, you're almost like not even as threatening as Jackson. Hey, why do you have this jacket on? Yeah, you're not much of a monster. The worst monster I ever ran into was on Pizza Planet, remember? Yeah, it was like big, purple, with one eyeball. Ugh, it ate me and I had to go through its digestive system. It was the worst. What's that thing all freaked out about? Oh no, I should probably turn around. This didn't work out for me too good last time.
OMG!
Oh no, not again! You're so slimy, I can't hold on to my stuff! My sword! No, my cell phone, no! Oh, there's an extra hat for Jackson. Huh. Silly. My lightsaber! Oh, girls gotta be prepared. No, don't eat me! No! I probably taste delicious!
Tentacular, you have her. Now bring her to my wicked castle.
Yes, master.
You're annoying!
You let me out of here, you one-eyed weirdo! Oh no, I know what that sound means.
It tastes like bad yogurt and feels like tapioca pudding!
It looks like she's here. Bring out the welcome wagon.
Spider-Man! Oh, hey, Trixie. You know what? I think I'm in the wrong video. Gotta go. You wait a second! You come back here, you web-slinging weirdo! Ugh, I need to be more nice to people. There is no way this situation couldn't get worse. Ew! Now I don't know how this could get any worse. Are you kidding me? Ugh! Don't just stand there, creepy bat guy.
How is Trixie going to get out of the Play-Doh
But
poo?
don't touch me.
Who are those bad guys?
Don't touch me.
What is going on? Subscribe so you know when the next Time Warp Trixie is here. Give us a thumbs up if you like Trixie or if you like Spider-Man.